Hi, this is Charlie from funeraltemplates.com. Today I'm going to share with you a memorial idea called Share a Memory. Share a Memory is a simple display that you set up at your funeral service for guests to share and write special memories of your loved one. This is the Share a Memory sign. You simply download it from the website, you print it and you cut it using the special trim marks in the corners. Then you can pop it into a frame and display it at the funeral. There are matching cards that you can purchase to go with your sign, and they look just like this, and you simply download them from the website, print them and trim them. And they come as 2 per sheet like this, and you can print them onto letter or A4 size paper. To purchase the Share a Memory sign and cards, you can either click on the link in the description below the video or go to funeraltemplates.com.